In today's video, I'll show you how to use the My Tasks view in Asana. This is one of the most useful screens in the whole app because it pulls together everything assigned to you in one place, no matter which project it lives in. Let's jump in by clicking My Tasks on the left sidebar, and you'll land here immediately. Notice how Asana automatically sorts your work into 4 sections: recently assigned, due today, due next week, and due later. This gives you an instant sense of what deserves your attention first. By default, you're looking at the list view, but there are several other ways to see the same tasks. Switching to board view turns each section into its own column, which is great if you like a visual, drag-and-drop style of planning. Moving over to calendar view plots every task by its due date, so you can spot busy days at a glance. And the dashboard view gives you a quick summary of your workload across all these buckets. Let's head back to list view, since that's where most people manage their day-to-day work. From here, you have a few powerful tools at the top of the screen. Clicking Filter lets you narrow the list down to just incomplete tasks, or just completed ones, so you're not distracted by finished work. Using the Sort button, you can reorder your tasks by due date, project, or other fields, which is handy when priorities shift. And selecting Group changes how your tasks are bucketed all together, giving you flexibility beyond the default date sections. To recap, My Tasks pulls everything assigned to you into one screen, automatically grouped by when it's due. You can view it as a list, a board, a calendar, or a dashboard, and fine-tune what you see using Filter, Sort, and Group. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!